Where is it? Can't see anything. Alright, this is getting out of control. Time to forge a solution. Hey guys, welcome back to Forging Futures. As you can tell, my hair's grown a little bit since last time, which is really weird because I was practically bald yesterday. So yeah, this is a new problem I've never had to deal with. Obviously the easiest solution would be to go steal one of my wife's hair bands out of the house, but where would the fun be in that? Let's forge a solution. Let's make a Celtic hairpin, or as I like to call it, a hair holdy uppy thingy. Decorative blacksmithing project with some cool loops and a pin that goes through it. Hold your hair back out of the way. Oh man, that would be so much better. I could see what I'm doing. So, never made one before, but I think it's a pretty straightforward project. I could probably knock it out in an evening if I can see what I'm doing, that is. Let's see how this goes. I feel like I should be in an 80s hairband. I wanna rock! Oh, too old for that. Okay, while the forge is heating up, I'll tell you a little bit about the design that I picked out. I looked up several examples, and even though this is a very poor drawing, this is the best I can do to show you an example of what it is that I want to make. So, you'll see I've got two decorative scroll loops at the top, curving down, and one large loop for the body, and then a cross pin to hold it all together. The body is going to be squared and twisted, so that's a new one for me. I haven't tried that technique yet. I'm looking forward to that. But the two loops at the top, they're going to remain round and drawn into points. So I think this whole thing is going to be roughly 15 inches long. So I'll start by tapering one end to a point, and then I'll come back a little bit, maybe 2 inches or so, and I'll start squaring the rest of my round stock. Once I've got that all squared however long I want, I'll cut it off. I will taper the other end, and then I'll heat up the length of the material, twist it, and then I'll do all of the loops and the curls and everything last. Then I'll make my decorative pin, which will also be squared, pointed, and twisted. The real trick to all this is going to be doing it without setting my beautiful, glorious locks on fire, because that would really suck. I feel like a teenage heartthrob. get much better than that. If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, please do me a favor, hit like, share, subscribe, all those things that really help out the channel. We're slowly growing the channel here. I've got a video that's doing really well and just got my 50th subscriber as I'm making this video. So that's pretty exciting. We're slowly growing, but I really appreciate the support that I've gotten from you guys. Every comment, every like, all those things keep me motivated, keep me making these goofy videos. Yes, I know it's silly, but hey, more fun than you can have, you should be allowed to have with a $15 Amazon wig. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, forge your own future and make stuff. Kind of look like Thor with this wig. I am Thor, God of Thunder, and I'm fabulous.